How come the world is round? How come it is not flat? And trees grow high and pigs can't fly. How come, how come, how come? How come I can't cry when I fall and bump my eye? It always seems someone stops my screams. How come, how come, how come? How come we have our seasons? There must be a very good reason that winter is cold and we grow old. How come, how come, how come? How come we've got to rush and constantly push and push to get the right grade instead of drinking lemonade? How come?